Hi everybody, my name is Michelle and I'm going to walk you through a few steps needed to record your introductory video for the INTEI online conference. We're going to use the Flipgrid tool. If you haven't used it, I'm hoping this video will be useful in walking you through that process. Okay, the first thing that you'll want to do is to go to the Flipgrid website for the conference. It's flipgrid.com/INTEI. You'll notice that it's locked and you'll have a password if you've registered. So I'm going to type in that password now and click Let's Go or press Return. And it takes me to the conference site and we see our Flipgrid. The first topic here is called Introduction, so I'm going to click on that. Here I can see that there are a bit of instructions highlighted here that says in a minute or less, please tell us your name, location, area of expertise, and anything you hope to gain from this conference. Below that is a helpful tip for producing your video. Find a quiet space, look into your webcam, and speak clearly. All right, I think I'm ready to go. And I can see that two people have already gone and recorded their videos, Rosalind and Ingrid. So I'm going to do the same, and I'll do that by clicking the green button. It's asking me to authenticate with either Google or Microsoft. I have a Google email account, so I'm going to log in with Google. I have multiple Google accounts, actually, so I'm going to click the one that I'd like to use for my Flipgrid. And my record window opens and it's time for me to record my introduction. Before that, I'm going to check my options just to make sure my audio is on, and it is. So I'm going to return to video, and here we go. Click the red button and record. Hi, my name is Michele Estes. I'm an associate professor at James Madison University in the United States, in the state of Virginia. I look forward to meeting everyone. In particular, my area of expertise is educational technology, and if you have an interest in ICTs or technologies that help us communicate and collaborate at a distance to do our international work, I'd really love to hear about that. Thanks, and I look forward to meeting you at this conference. Okay, when I'm finished recording, I click the same button again, and it stops the recording, so I'm not recording right now. I want to click the next button, but I know when I do, it's going to start playing so that I can hear my recording, and I don't want to confuse you. So I'll probably just press the space bar to stop that recording and continue on with this tutorial. So I'll click Next. Hi, my name is Michele Estes. All right, I hit the space bar to stop the recording, and it took me to the next screen. And here it's telling me to snap a selfie. That just means that it wants to take a picture and make it the first frame of my video. So I have to make it a good picture, right? So I've got to smile. There's my smiling face, and that will become the first picture on my video. There are a couple of things I can do. I can leave my picture this way, or I can add one of these photos on the right to my picture just by clicking on it and resizing it, moving it, something like that. I can write on my picture by clicking on a color and dragging. If I don't want that, I can click the undo button in the middle, and that's what I'm going to do. And I like this, so I'll leave it like this. All right, I'm going to click the green Next button and see what happens next. It uploaded my video and it says it was successful. So I'm going to click Complete, and look at that. I'm now there next to Rosalind and Ingrid with my 1-minute introductory video. Actually, it looks like it's 27 seconds. Let me click on my video and see what that looks like. My name is Michele Estes. All right, I've just paused it. It looks okay. The lighting looks good. I can hear my audio. I can see my name is correct down here in the lower left. On the right, if someone else watched it, they could click like this video, that button on the right, which would be nice to know that people liked the video. And then in the middle, you can click on the green chat bubble here in order to reply to my video, maybe to say, welcome to the conference, Michele. It's nice to meet you. I'm also interested in technology, something like that. But when you reply, when you click that button, it's going to record a video of you saying that back to me. So we're really going to get to know each other visually, recording video back and forth. Okay, well, that's the gist of using Flipgrid to record your introductory video. If you have any questions, I hope you'll pass them on to the leadership team for the conference, and I look forward to seeing you during that time. Thank you.